Unitree Robotics has just unveiled a true piloted mech. The GD01 starts at 3.9 million RMB. It is the world's first mass-produced transforming mech designed for human operation, and also the most expensive product Unitree has publicly released so far. The GD01 can not only carry a human operator while walking, but can also switch between bipedal and quadrupedal forms. In the official demonstration, Unitree's founder personally climbed into the mech and operated it. In its upright form, the GD01 is capable of stable bipedal movement, while leaning backward transforms it into a four-legged mode. In the future, it could even be used as a civilian transportation vehicle. With a rider on board, the machine weighs around 500 kilograms. From the Robot Group performance at the Spring Festival Gala to now entering the era of piloted mechs, Unitree is gradually bringing things once seen only in science fiction movies into reality. And this time, the future may be arriving much faster than anyone expected.